Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export Airtable to Google Sheets. All right. First up, go ahead and log into your Airtable account. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and select a project. Now, in your project, you're going to want to select Grid View. All right. Now, once you have the Grid View selected, go ahead and go to the top left. Under here, we have Grid View. Just click on the drop down and download CSV. Okay. It says here preparing. Now, download page will pop up. Go ahead and save it in your desktop. And leave the file name as is if you want to. If not, go ahead and rename it. Okay. Once that's done, just hit on save. It says here download complete. I'm going to minimize this one. And here we have our CSV file. Now what we're going to do next is just go ahead and open up our favorite browser. Okay. Now go ahead and type in Google Sheets. Hit on enter. Click on the first search results. Go ahead and sign in. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on blank spreadsheet. All right. Just going to click on it. Down here, we're going to go ahead over to the top left and click on file. Now just go ahead and click on import. Now go ahead and select upload, browse, click on the CSV file, hit on open, wait for it to finish uploading. If you want it to be converted as text to numbers and dates and formulas, go ahead and click on the check mark. If not, untick it and hit on import data. All right. Wait for it. As you can see here we have our CSV converted to Google Sheets. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.